Welcome to Take the hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail in 2 consecutive parts and give it a ribbony look. Repeat the same process again and again, making it look in the form of layers. The process can be complex, but the end results are very beautiful and satisfying. Repeat the same process unless you are done. The layer should be 3 to 4. Take one part of the hair, tie it in the form of a rubber band. Take the other part again and tie it in the form of a rubber band. Take all the 3 parts and along with inserting all the 3 parts together, roll it and secure it properly. Take one part of your hair, repeat the same initial processes as shown in the previous ones, then make it in the form of plaits. The plaits should be so neat and clean and interconnected that it should give you a trendy look. See, you are done. Then decorate it with your favorite rubber band or backpin or clip. This process may be complex, but it looks so beautiful and elegant. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then, along with that ponytail, take the remaining part, insert it inside and clip it with the form of your favorite backpin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of knots, not like knots, but in the form of plaits. The plait should be so clean and it should be inserted to the other side of your hair. Then take the hair from that very side and make it in the form of plaits again. Repeat the same process and tie it to the previous side. See, it's done. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then insert that ponytail through the gap of the previous one. Take it in the form of a ponytail and make it again through the gap. Take the remaining part, do plaits, insert it inside, and then you are done. Take your hair and along with a zigzag clipper, insert your hair inside that clipper. It will give you a snaky wavy look. See how elegant it looks. Then take the remaining part of the hair and tie it properly with a rubber band. See, you're done. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Insert it through the gaps of one another, giving it a layery look. Divide it into 5 parts. Tie all the 5 parts into 2 consecutive parts and put it inside the upper part. Inserting it inside will give it an elegant look. Make plaits out of all the 2 parts and then roll it upwards, securing it with a bobby pin and decorating it as your own whims and fancies. Thank you for watching.